What's happening, guys? This is Sashin Govender, International Marketing Director, 23 years old. So I'm making this video right now because I wanted to show you how you can maximize Zoom, how you can maximize working smart rather than working hard. In the year 2017, I was like all out massive action. You know, literally out of 365 days, I probably worked 350 days. I was doing 5 to 10 one-on-ones a day and a Zoom, multiple Zoom presentations every single day and at least 1 or 2 home events every single night. Now here's the deal, that was great. It built the foundation to my business today, which has over 24,000 customers in the past 6 years. But here's the most important thing. In 2018, I've worked so much smarter. And what I've done is I've maximized it. So instead of going to and doing home events on a Saturday and Sunday, which I still do, but instead of doing home events, I'll now sit at home and I'll basically get my leaders to take their laptop, plug in the HDMI to the TV, do the entire presentation, and then give me a Zoom code. At the end of the entire presentation, I would jump on, share a 30-second testimonial, and help close the room and re-edify the leaders. And I would be, on a Saturday, I'll be doing about 20 of those from the comfort of my home, my phone, my laptop, and wearing shorts and a t-shirt, just chilling. But just understanding that's the reason why we joined Network Marketing, because we joined to work smart. We didn't want another job. We don't want to have another boss. So at the end of the day, I do the same thing with testimonial calls. My leaders phone me, whether it's on Zoom, whether it's on WhatsApp, voice or video calling. But how can you maximize Zoom? Well, here's the deal. If you're inviting someone, okay, and if they live in the city, I would definitely show them World Ventures. I would drive to them, get in your car, drive to them. Now here's the deal, if you continuously invite them and they don't show up, then it's kind of like a sign that's telling you you need to go out there and show them, whether it's online or face to face, and who cares. What I've realized on online is we get the same answers. We get, I don't have the money, I don't have the time, I need to think about it, is it one of those permit, who cares? You still get the same objection. The only difference is you're maximizing time. You're doing way more in a very short period of time than what you could have done. Well, here's the deal. How do you set up a Zoom account? Go to www.zoom.us. The link will be, on the bottom of this video right now. The minute you go to www.zoom.us, create a free account. Now, if you're a leader within our team, you want to go out there and create a paid account. Because the most important thing is, a free account, you can only create meetings. And meetings is where people can mute themselves, unmute themselves, put their camera on, anyone can see each other, anyone can comment at any given time. Webinars on the other side is where you can physically, set up a webinar. No one can hear themselves except they can hear you and they can only see you. That's what you want. I've created a webinar platform right now. If you're a marketing director and above in team expansion worldwide, you've got the username and password. You can go out there and set this up for your entire team. Webinars in this case is where you can have 5 people, one person on, 50, 100, maximum of 500 people. It cost me a boatload of money, but I've invested back into my business. Now, if you're a leader on this call right now, and we're doing multiple Zooms every single day, okay, this is what I tell my leaders. When you're giving a testimonial, the first thing you need to do is you need to re-edify the leadership in the room and be like, hey, if you're working with this person, you're working directly with myself. This person has achieved this rank, they make this type of income, they have this type of team size, and they're very well respected within our company. Don't take it for granted that because they're in your presence, they're actually a normal person. In our company, they're a big deal. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to share your testimonial. Now make that about 30 to 60 seconds maximum. And the third thing I want you to do is go out there and close on fear of loss. Left team, right team, why they want to lock their spot, what are they going to lose on? People don't join because of what they're going to gain. People join because of what they're going to lose. I'm going to repeat that. People don't join because of what they're going to gain. They actually don't care about that. They join because of what they're going to lose. Put them in a situation where you create fear of loss, that it's too good for them to leave that table, too good for them to leave that call, too good to leave that room to not join World Ventures. Okay? So here's the deal. With Zoom, maximize it. Get your people on. Practice it. You can only practice to succeed. You can't practice and continuously fail. You're gonna master failure in due time. And when you master failure in due time, you automatically become successful. We all not tech savvy. I was not good at Zoom. I learned it the first time. It was so ludicrous that I set up a meeting and I had like 300 people on the meeting, but you know, everyone was like, their cameras were on, their mics were on, everyone could hear each other, and I did not know, but I had 300 people on the call. You gotta learn the hard way to become successful. Master Zoom. Trust me, you know, on the weekends, get in front of people, set up the calls, and this is how I'm inviting people right now. I'm picking up the phone and saying, here's the deal. Do you have access to the internet for 20 minutes on a PC, laptop, or phone? Now the most important thing is, you know, you as a member and your team members, you want to find out whether your guest is jumping on from their laptop or their phone. If they're jumping on from their phone, make sure they go to App Store, Play Store, download Zoom. Make sure that once they've downloaded Zoom, they click join a meeting. They need to tell you what they can see. And about half an hour before the meeting, you give them your meeting ID. And over and above that, make sure they have good internet connection. Make sure they have, you know, earphones in their ears, no distractions, your phone's fully charged, and they have 25 to 30 minutes on their clock. If they're using their laptop, tell them to go to www.zoom.us. Click or ask them, what can you see? They're probably going to say, I can see this whole webinar platform. Great. Click join a meeting. The minute they've clicked join a meeting, what can you see? They're going to say, you know, it requires a webinar ID. Great, I'll give it half an hour before the meeting. Well guys, if you can master Zoom, you can work from anywhere around the world. I've managed to grow a team from 0 to 24,000 people of working hard. Now it's time to work smart and take it from 24,000 to 100,000. If you're one of my leaders and if you have access to me, you're welcome to get me on a Zoom call. But the most important thing is, I'm all about time. Because I'm compressing time frames, we know we can show more people in a shorter period of time. It's all about launching continents, countries. Whenever I'm on tour and I'm touring cities or continents or countries, I want you to understand something. I show more people on Zoom than actually, you know, when I'm touring. You can get your people in a room, do an entire presentation, 500 people, 100 people, 20 people, whatever, and then get me on, you know, on a screen or projector, and then most importantly, I can do the exact same thing. So if you love the content, share with your team, subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know, share this, you know, video with anyone in the industry if you want, and most importantly, what I want you to understand is, if you have the knowledge, but if you don't apply it, it's pointless you even having it. God bless, and I look forward to meeting you very soon and hearing from you guys how this video has helped you grow this team.